Hello, welcome to this first screen recording session. I promised to show you some of the reference works as well as some of the websites that will be helpful for this course. The first reference I remember is Deep Learning with Python, is a book from Francois Chollet. Interesting book, it's focused on deep learning. It doesn't have any mathematics in there, but it's code heavy. The code is not so easy to understand, but a great read, great book. The second reference that we're going to look at is Kilian Weinberger's course on artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's from Cornell University, CS4780, and it has roughly 37 videos. Now, it's mainly shallow learning, this course, mainly classification, and it's mathematically heavy in terms of statistics. The last reference is Andrew Ng's machine learning course, quite comprehensive as well, as you can see, 112 videos. So it's definitely something you can look at, although the math is sometimes challenging. And sometimes I find the math is not going deep enough. So I'm a bit puzzled with this one. So now let's take a look at the Kaggle website. So Kaggle organizes these competitions. You can actually, if you win these competitions, you can make a lot of money. As you can see here what the numbers are. We will, however, use Kaggle mainly for the data sets. And you click on data sets. These are all the data sets you can actually play with. It gives you what the data set is. It gives you the type of file, the size of the file. It's quite interesting to use. Next one is Github. Now Github, we're gonna mainly use to upload the course notes to. So on the left, you can here see my account. You can see Emphavet's YouTube series on machine learning. You click on it and it will bring you to this page, and here you see the introductory session docs has been uploaded and you can download it. So once you download, you can see the Word file with the course notes. These course notes look very nice because it's quite texty, these courses, but once we go into formulas and drawings and other stuff, I will just upload a PDF form of my course notes, so they won't be nicely typed out as the first ones. Okay, finally, we're gonna take a look at Colab. Colab is this wonderful Jupyter style interface from Google. So Colab, here we go. We load it up. I have a Google account, so that's why it's easy to get into Colab and see the files. So I'm gonna open the breast cancer file here. So first you gotta log in into your Google account. You will have access to Colab. Let's see here. Okay, runtime. You can change the runtime type. It's going to be GPU, graphical processor unit, or TPU, tensor processing unit. It's quite interesting. You get access to these over the internet to make your machine learning faster. Also interesting to note is that you can actually delete cells and add cells. And these can be either code cells. I can input some code here. So let me delete one, or I can enter some text here. Okay, so this definitely makes your code more readable. The other nice thing is that you can actually add your Google Drive, and this line of code, these two lines here, give you access to Google Drive, and then it's easy to upload files or directories into your program. For example, we have the cancer CSV file. I can do copy path and put it in here. Here we go. You see? So that's quite easy and convenient. Um, what else can I show you? There's some code snippets. For example, if you want to add Google Drive, open files from Google Drive, you click on it. You see exactly in the bottom left the code that I wrote into line 7. Yeah, so this can be quite handy as well. So that's it. That was the first intro session, and see you next time.